Hello YouTube, it's the EDC Cooperative. So today's going to be a nice and simple, it's a pen review. Now, if people think pens aren't exciting, clearly they haven't seen these pens before. So there's lots of pens on the market and there's lots of tactical pens and really quite impressive pens. Well, this is potentially something new for everyone if you haven't seen these before. So it's a company called MIG, and it's a guy called Shane Marks who's the owner. Now Shane's from Australia, and he's obviously a member of the EDC Cooperative. This is where we got to find out about his gear. So he's got a website, he's got a Facebook page, Instagram page, and a very cool shop. So what I'll do, I'll tag all these in the bottom. So, pen, which is obviously why everyone's here. So, it comes in a nice firm case, which is, what, about 15 centimetres in width. Guessing the idea is actually an old school pencil case, but obviously all a bit cooler. Now, not forgetting the pin badges that were available at the time. So the owner of this one is going to be lucky enough to get one of those as well. So the pen, obviously all of Shane's details there. Like I say, we'll link all this. I'll link all this below. It comes with a couple of compartments in this case, all very well made. A nice sticker. You can't beat a sticker, let's face it. Everyone loves a good sticker. So, that's the case. The pen. So this is the pen. Obviously logoed up. So, the brass pen has a deep pocket clip, which is always nice. A good firm, but not too firm, bolt action. Obviously this is the brass edition. So the brass edition comes with several styles, as all Shane's pens do, and currently he's doing his pens in brass, copper, aluminium and stainless steel, and they all come in a variety of styles. So let's just move this one out of the way a second. So Shane's work, if we can focus in on that, everything's just smooth. It's really well made. So focus in there. Yeah, for everything from the tail cap, it's been very well thought of and thought through. So, like any pen, nice and easy to get apart. This one is using the Easy Flow Schmidt, I would guess, but it's a nice standard cartridge, so you can get whatever ink you would prefer in them. But like I say, everything's particularly well made, which is one point I want to make of these pens. You know, the machining, you know, I can run my fingers across, and there's absolutely nothing. No burrs, no sharp edges. It's just all very well made. Now the weight of the pen is, the brass edition anyway, is 62 grams at a length of approximately 13 centimetres. I believe I'll clarify that up here somewhere. Where are we? Up here somewhere. So basically that's the pen, and I say basically, these pens are very high quality, very well made, and additionally Shane is an absolute top Aussie guy. So I'll link everything down below. Do check him out, subscribe to us, go follow him, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.